Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend tax planning strategy for family trust planning, and how a family trust can be used to manage dividend income more efficiently, support long-term wealth goals, and improve overall tax planning when used correctly. To begin with, a family trust is a legal structure that can hold investments and distribute income, including dividends, to beneficiaries according to the trust deed and tax rules. Because of this, many families use trusts not only for investment management, but also for income flexibility, tax efficiency, and asset protection. However, to get the benefits, the trust must be planned and managed properly. First, it is important to know the trust structure. You need to review the trust deed, understand the role of the trustee, and confirm who the beneficiaries are. In other words, before making any tax planning decision, you should clearly understand how the trust is allowed to operate. This is essential because the trust deed controls how income can be distributed, and poor understanding at this stage can lead to costly mistakes later. Next, identify your dividend income clearly. This means listing all dividends received by the trust and separating them into categories such as franked dividends, unfranked dividends, or foreign dividends if applicable. At the same time, you should review the trust's cash flow and distribution capacity. Once the income is clearly identified, planning becomes much easier and more accurate. After that, understand beneficiary tax rates. This step matters because one of the major advantages of a family trust is the ability to distribute income strategically among beneficiaries, depending on their personal tax positions. For example, if some adult family members are in lower tax brackets, distributing part of the dividend income to them may improve overall family tax efficiency. Therefore, comparing each beneficiary's tax position is a key part of smart trust planning. Then, plan distributions before year-end. Rather than waiting until the last moment, trustees should decide in advance who will receive trust income and in what proportions. This allows enough time to make proper resolutions and ensure the distributions match the trust deed and legal requirements. As a result, early planning reduces confusion, prevents rushed decisions, and supports better compliance. In addition, use franking credits wisely if they apply. Dividends may come with franking credits, and those credits can be valuable depending on the beneficiary receiving the income. So instead of focusing only on the cash dividend, you should also consider the total after-tax outcome. In many cases, the best distribution decision is the one that makes the most effective use of both the dividend income and the attached franking credits. At the same time, avoid distribution traps. Family trust planning is not just about saving tax. It must also follow trust law, tax law, and anti-avoidance rules. For instance, trustees need to be careful with minors, special tax rates, and arrangements that do not have a genuine commercial purpose. Because of this, the strategy should always be based on real compliance, not shortcuts. Moreover, coordinate trust planning with a broader family and business picture. If the family also has business income, salary income, or investment income outside the trust, then dividend planning should not happen in isolation. Instead, it should be integrated with the whole family tax plan. This way, the distributions from the trust can complement other income sources and create better overall outcomes. Finally, review the trust plan every year. Beneficiary income levels may change, tax rules may change, and investment income may also change from one year to another. Therefore, regular review is essential. Trustees should revisit family goals, update records, keep resolutions and tax documents in order, and adjust the strategy when necessary. Also remember that trust distributions must always follow the trust deed, and proper documentation is extremely important. Keep trustee resolutions, dividend records, and all relevant financial papers organized and up to date. Furthermore, because trust and dividend tax rules can vary depending on jurisdiction and personal circumstances, professional advice can make a major difference. Overall, smart family trust planning can help distribute dividend income more efficiently, preserve wealth, and support long-term family financial goals. When the trust structure is understood, income is identified properly, beneficiary tax rates are reviewed, distributions are planned on time, and the strategy is reviewed regularly, the trust can become a powerful tool for better tax efficiency and stronger wealth management. This video is for general educational purposes only and does not constitute tax, legal, or financial advice. Always consult a qualified accountant, tax advisor, or legal professional before making family trust or dividend tax planning decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.